Magandang araw, my name is Alan Jan Pedro III. I live in Barangay Agaga, Burgos, Ilocos Norte, and I'm the manager of Vera Farm Agaga. Nagsimula si Vera Farm noong 2019, January of 2019, and the farm was open to the public after na nag-decide po ang family na ako po yung magmamanage ng farm. Nagsimula siya noong 2019 when my dad, si daddy na stroke po siya kasi. So ayun po, napag-isipan ko po from my Manila nung nag-Manila po ako, and then na-stroke po si daddy, na napag-isipan po namin na ituloy po yung kung ano yung na-invest niya dito sa farm. And then while I was here, we were thinking as a family kung ano yung pwede namin gawin para maging profitable yung investment dito sa farm. Sabi namin, why not we convert it as a farm tourism destination, one of the farm tourism destination dito sa Norte, and that's where it started. So nag-research po ako kung ano yung pwede namin na i-offer sa mga guests namin dito, and unang-una na that I came up with is yung mag-invest ng dragon fruit farm, and then sumunod po yung puput up po ng accommodation establishment, which is our cabanas right now. And then from there on, then minentain po namin and in-improve po yung mga livestocks namin, and ayun po, dun na po tuloy-tuloy na po siyang tumakbo yung negosyo ng Vera Farm. Aside from our accommodation establishment, we have a dragon fruit farm po, and also we have livestocks. We've got organic chickens. We also have some goat raising. We as well have small medium piggery business. At saka meron din po kaming mga rice field where nagtatanim kami ng it's either rice or any crop, multi-crops po na nagge-generate po ng income. Tara, pakita ko sa inyo yung accommodation establishment namin. So, meron kaming dalawang unit dito pinapaupahan. Each unit consists of pwede po siya up to 6 to 8 persons per unit. May sarili din po siyang swimming pool. So, ito po yung isang unit namin. May sarili po siyang swimming pool. Ayan po. And the water is fresh water, non-chlorinated. So, every time na may guest, pinapalitan namin yung tubig. So, ito yung itsura ng rooms namin. So, it can occupy up to 8 packs. Ganyan, bunk bed type po siya. And then, may sarili po siyang kitchen and restroom. Tapos, meron din po siyang bonfire area. And our basketball court. Pwede pong mag-basketball yung mga guests. And we also have a tank house kung gusto pong gamitin ng guest as a resting area. Meron din po kaming dragon fruit farm. Ito po siya. Which you can pick and pay pag meron pong mga bunga yung dragon fruit. Usually po, namumunga sila from the month of May up until October. Dito din po nag-picture yung mga guest, pang Instagram po nila. Parang Bali nest ang tawag dito, pero Ilocano feels. Yan. Puntahan naman natin yung mga livestocks ng Vera Farm, kung saan makikita yung mga organic chickens, yung piggery at saka goat racing. Ito po yung bahay ng aming mga kambing. So, nag-goat racing din po kami. We produce goats, tapos binebenta po namin. Ito si Marcos, pangalan niya. Makulit. Tapos meron din kaming mga organic chickens. Ito yung kulungan nila. Tapos ito yung aming piggery naman po. Yung water nito nare-retain siya from the month of July hanggang January of the next year. So ganito siya. So nilalagyan namin yan ng tilapia pag wet season. Ang aming multifunction hall, dito pwedeng maganap ang mga trainings or seminars. Pwede din po ang mga birthdays, weddings, and mga baptismals po dito. All they have to do is to contact us para we can para ma-check po kung ano yung requirements po nila and on how to meet their expectations po. Yan. From the places that I've been to, nung nag-work pa po ako sa office setting, na i-apply ko naman po dito, it wasn't that really a big adjustment po para sa akin, kasi nung nandito po, sabi nga po ng mga tao sa akin before, naalala ko, parang ang laki ng pinagbago mo, kasi dati city boy ka, ngayon nasa bundok ka na, ganun. Sabi, hindi ka ba nahihirapan mag-adjust? Sabi ko, hindi po ako nahihirapan mag-adjust, kasi yun nga po, may passion pa ako with nature. And nakita po nakita ko po kasi yung potential ng place namin dito na gawin siya as a farm tourism destination. So, aside from yun yung may kita nila dito sa farm, our farm is also accredited a learning site for agriculture, a helping partner po ng Agricultural Training Institute. So they can learn the basics of how to do farming, ganyan po if they want. They can also try and experience po kung paano po yung tamang pag-aalaga ng mga manok, ganyan, mga baboy, mga kambing, ganyan. Actually, for me, the balance should be the same po in the sense of sa sector ng agriculture and sa sector ng tourism. So, para po at least we can maintain na-maintain namin yung flow ng like the ecosystem po ng place itself, na at least po hindi kasi pagsasabihin natin na mas mataas mas important po yung tourism or mas mataas po yung balanse ng turismo, baka mapapabayaan natin yung the factors of the agricultural area. So dapat balanse lang po siya. Strategically po, dapat ganun. We promote Kaanglian Falls. Yun po yung one of the advocacy of Vera Farm to promote tourist spots in our locality or in our barangay. So we have Kaanglian Falls, meron din pong Puttot Falls, I think, or it's just like a dam or a creek where people can swim po. Tapos, ayun, kung ano yung also yung mga local wavery po ng Agaga dati, at saka yung ginagawa po nilang Sumanlatik, yun promote din po namin kasi some of the elderlies po dito sa Agaga is they do weaving, and yan, nagpo-produce din po sila ng Sumanlatik as part of their living. 2 years from now, siguro meron na po kaming restaurant and cafe. Mas madami na pong accommodation establishment na mapuput up. And hopefully we can employ more people. For those adventurous and outdoorsy persons who want to enjoy nature and to experience a farm life setting, come visit Vera Farm.